Today we are going to make rice ball, onigiri. Here are the ingredients. I will show the easy step on how to make it. Put the plastic wrapper longer than the size of your bowl inside the bowl so you can easily mold the rice. You can use any bowl as long as the bowl has same cover. Please use a clean wrapper so that the rice will not stick on your hand. Today, I'm going to use grilled salmon for the rice ball filling. Japanese commonly called it sake. We need 1 teaspoon of grilled salmon. Close the rice over the filling together with a plastic wrapper. Softly turn around. Softly, softly, softly. The seaweed has 2 sides. This is front side and this back side. Add salt. Cover the rice bowl with the seaweed. Done! Save and enjoy! Japanese eat onigiri both as a meal and a snack. We can buy an onigiri in Japanese convenience store or supermarket. Many Japanese people recall eating onigiri when they were small. Onigiri is a popular picnic food in Japan. We put onigiri in a bento box, lunchbox, and eat it at a park.